equivalent butter here? Are you on Sunday we're gonna have a focus line.
Ooh. Just butter. How do you know when it's ready to flip? When like edges are a little bit crusty, I guess. And like you're just touching and you can understand. Can you tell me why you're making crepes?
Oh, the Chandeleur. It's a French holiday in like the Catholic religion. No, Christians. And it's like the crepes symbolize the sun, which like symbolizes the four seasons.
Wow.
C'est la Chandeleur.
C'est la Chandeleur.
Regarde, c'est ce que c'est.
Non, non.
La Chandeleur.
Chandeleur.
La Chandeleur.
C'est la Chandeleur.
Très bien.
C'est la Chandeleur. For me.
C'est la Chandeleur. C'est la Chandeleur. C'est le Chandeleur.
Chez la Chandeleur.
Okay, ready. I might eat your
Je l'ai changé.
Let your French out.
Jojo.
Let out. Jojo, let your French out. Let it out.
Drink your juice.
C'est la Chandeleur.
C'est Chandeleur.
C'est la Chandeleur.
C'est la Chandeleur.
C'est.
Ouais.
There you go.
C'est la
Chandeleur.
Sean Glue.
Are you doing this on purpose?
I am speaking French.